Here are 15 informative facts about ants. Raids and warfare. Ants engage in territorial battles and raids on other colonies. Army ants, for example, conduct impressive swarm raids, overwhelming other insects and collecting them as food. Innovative defense mechanisms. Ants employ various defense mechanisms. Some species have powerful stings or bites, while others use chemical compounds like formic acid to deter predators. Weaver ants build nests using leaves they hold together with silk produced by their larvae. Social structure. Ants are eusocial insects, forming complex societies with division of labor. Their colonies consist of individuals with different roles, such as queens, workers, and soldiers. This division allows them to efficiently exploit resources and defend their nests. Colony roles. In a colony, there is typically one queen responsible for laying eggs, workers that perform various tasks like foraging, caring for young, and maintaining the nest, and soldiers that defend the colony from threats. Reproductive strategies. The queen's primary role is reproduction, and she can live for years, producing millions of eggs. Male ants exist solely for mating, and after mating, they die. Virgin queens leave the colony to mate and establish new colonies. Communication. Ants communicate through chemical signals called pheromones, which they use to mark trails, signal danger, locate food sources, and coordinate activities. Pheromones play a crucial role in maintaining the organization of the colony. Foraging behavior. Ants exhibit impressive foraging strategies. They establish scent trails from food sources to their nests, and as they return with food, they reinforce these trails. This behavior optimizes their foraging efficiency. Ant farming. Some ant species practice agriculture. Leafcutter ants, for instance, cut leaves to cultivate fungus gardens that serve as their primary food source. This intricate relationship between ants and fungus showcases their advanced behaviors. Ecological impact. Ants are ecologically significant as predators, scavengers, and decomposers. They help control insect populations, break down organic matter, and contribute to nutrient recycling in ecosystems. Ant parasites. Various insects have evolved to exploit ants. One example is the cuckoo ant that infiltrates other ant colonies, lays its eggs, and lets the host ants care for its young. Some butterflies and moths also depend on ants to protect their pupae. Diverse species. Ants belong to the family Formicidae and are incredibly diverse, with over 12,000 known species. They vary greatly in size, color, behavior, and habitat preferences. These species are classified into subfamilies, genera, and further into different castes within their colonies. Navigation skills. Ants are exceptional navigators. They use visual cues, landmarks, polarized light patterns, and the sun's position to find their way back to the nest. Some desert ants even count their steps to accurately return home. Global distribution. Ants are found on every continent except Antarctica, adapting to diverse climates and habitats. They thrive in forests, grasslands, deserts, and urban environments. Scientific significance. Ants are subjects of extensive scientific research. Their social behaviors, problem-solving abilities, and collective decision-making processes have provided insights into fields like biology, robotics, and artificial intelligence. Symbiotic relationships. Ants engage in mutually beneficial relationships with other organisms. Acacia trees, for instance, provide shelter and nectar to ants in exchange for protection from herbivores.